Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change YouTube language back to English. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change YouTube language back to English, go to your browser and browse youtube.com. Click on the profile icon on upper right corner, and here you will find the icon, this one, the language icon, and click on the language icon here, and you will find all available language here, and select English United States. Now YouTube language has been changed back to English. This is the easiest way to change language back to English in YouTube. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.